Hey guys, I'm working on a 2018 Hyundai Elantra that we replaced a blind spot sensor, a blind spot detection sensor. This is the right hand, this is the slave sensor. And basically what I have to do is I have to calibrate the sensor. Every time you replace it, it doesn't come calibrated. You have to install it first, then calibrate it. That's why we have this message on the dashboard saying check BSD system, which means check blind spot detection system. I have my auto scanner right here doing a auto scan on it. On the BSD module, it shows a fault, so we're gonna go in it. We're gonna read the codes, and it shows right here that the control module slave is missing calibration, so that means it has to be calibrated. I'm gonna show you guys how to do that right now. So you just click back while still in the blind spot detection module. You click special functions, and then you have an option right here for BSD radar calibration. Okay, I'm gonna read this. This function sets BSD radar after replacement, which is what we're doing. This calibration procedure will clear any missing calibration. TTCs, which allows the radar sensor to go through the self-alignment procedure. The sensors continue to self-align while the vehicle is driven. It may take up to 30 seconds. It will not allow cancellation of the process. And then you press OK to continue. So right here, you have to turn off the ignition and then turn it back on. So turn it off. Turn it back on. Click OK. BSD radar calibration coding has been completed. So pretty much, when you activate the calibration process, this sensor self-aligns itself. So then you just press OK. Exit to verify that the code is gone. Go to read codes. There it is, no fault codes detected. Now you could press OK. You escape, and everything's clear. Now you could do a nice post scan showing that all modules are clear of faults. You should also drive the vehicle on the street and just verify that the blind spot detection is working correctly before you turn it into the customer. Thanks again for watching, and please subscribe to my channel, as I will be posting a lot of videos showing you guys how to use these scanners and how to program, initialize, and how to do a lot of the more modern repair procedures on these new vehicles. Thanks for watching. Bye.